Hey everyone, I'm going to attempt to make some quicker and easier to follow videos for simple pressing techniques with some of the items that I sell on my website at ImmaculateComics.com. So here we go, as fast as I can. This is Eagle number 6 from 1987. It is the first work of Adam Hughes, one of my favorite comic book artists, and probably yours too if you like the lovely ladies with the big bosom. And here's his first work. Here's a clip of it. And this is Eagle number 6. This is the cover before it was smashed, really like pretty badly smashed, probably in a roller, I think. Here's after, and I'll now show them together, the before and after picture. So here's what I did. I used my Pure Steam steamer to steam the cover of the book on the inside and the outside of the cover. Then I used a piece of one of my chamfered boards that I cut up with scissors and my tacking iron, which the brand is Pro Trim tacking iron, to try to run some of the spine ticks out that are closer to the edge. Then I used MacuClean. Got the whole cover cleaner, and it makes it wetter, so that it can press more easily. I got it wet, in this case, on the inside and the outside. Then I used, I don't show it here in the video, but I used two chamfer boards and 2 silicone sheets and 2 aluminum plates, and then I pressed the book at 160 degrees for 600 seconds. Then I let it come to ambient temperature. Then I cold pressed it under one of my cold pressing boards for about 10 hours, and I'll let you see the before and after pictures again. And that folks, is as quick as I can make that tutorial. I know many people have asked me to do some that are less time consuming and less detailed, so there's a stab at it. If you want to buy any stuff, you can get it at my website. I don't sell the steamer, the pressing, the press, or the steamer or the press on my website, but I guess I do sell everything else, or the tacking iron, because those are available everywhere. So I don't really sell them, I don't make them. So but if you want stuff, check it out at ImmaculateComics.com and see if you can do this kind of stuff for yourself. All right, take care, bye-bye.